Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel, Best Jewel Collection. Friends, I hope you all are fine and are doing well in your homes. So, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful collection of beaded and stacked bracelets for you. So, I hope that you like this beautiful and latest fashion video of my channel also. So please guys, watch the stunning and beautiful video till the end. It's a request that please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it. So guys, coming back to our topic, as you can see that it's a very new video of bracelets, and these bracelets are for ladies, for teenagers, for bridals, and obviously for girls. So guys, you can wear them anywhere, whether you're going in a party or any type of function, like any type of mehndi, mayo. So you can wear these type of bracelets as well, because they are very decent, they are very latest, and they are very very pretty as well. So please guys, it's a request that keep sharing my videos, and please share this video with your family members and with your friends and with your relatives as well. So basically, we all know that bracelet is a part of fashion. So also men's wear bracelets as an accessory to stand up in the crowd or to get noticed easily. But these type of bracelets are for women. So we all know that a bracelet is an article of jewelry that is worn around the wrist. Bracelets many serve different uses, such as being worn or as ornament as well. So when worn as ornament, bracelets may have a supportive function to hold other items and decorations such as charms, and they are delightful, and they're, you know, that they're pleasant and they're pretty looks also. So guys, if you're interested and you're enjoying this video, subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos. And thank you so much for your love and for your support, and I hope that you're interested in my video as well. So guys, if you're interested and you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it. And please, it's a request that watch this video till the end, and who has been watching this video till the end, and thank you so much for watching my video. And guys, as I've told you that these bracelets are, you can wear them anywhere, whether you're going in a party or anywhere. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family also. Hope to see you soon, inshallah, with a new video and with a new fashion. Take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.